back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brittany, and today's video is going to be a quick and easy wig install. This wig is from Yolissa hair. They sent me over their 5x5 water wave wig in the length 22 inches. This is a glueless wig install, you guys. This wig is not glued down at all. I keep pushing it up forward because I feel like it's sliding back. I need to adjust the strap on the inside. But this is a glueless wig install, beginner friendly. As far as the lace goes, the wig already came with this part, so the only thing I had to do was just add my foundation so that it could match my skin. It also came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck this hair at all. When I tell you guys low manipulation to this wig to get it to look like this, I am serious.